Never before has there been a business and occupation tax on farm income in Washington state. A trio of senators on the west side are suggesting that be changed. For farmers east of the Cascades, the proposal is not being taken lightly. It'll be 5 months before Eric Meyer can start using his equipment to harvest his winter wheat crop planted in August.
This time of the year we do a lot of shop work. We're building a sprayer. We put herbicides on our wheat to control the broadleaf weeds in it, so we're building a sprayer.
A fourth-generation wheat farmer with 3,500 acres in Ritzville, Mr. Meyer is one of thousands of Washington farmers facing potential legislation that would add a business and occupation tax on gross income over $200,000.
Most all farms that are a viable economic unit are there and above.
Senate Bill 5911, proposed by Senators Pridemore, Rockefeller, and Klein, would partially or completely repeal 7 current tax exemptions or deductions for Washington agricultural producers. A proposal, according to Mr. Meyer, would be counterproductive.
We're going to have to absorb that tax somewhere because that's going to have to be paid. So that means we'll have to cut something else.
That something else may be repairs, labor, the cost of doing business. And since agriculture, wheat in particular, is at the mercy of the global marketplace, the tax won't be passed on to the consumer.
A bushel of wheat today is selling for $5.10. United States Department of Agriculture estimates that it costs $8 to produce a bushel of wheat. We're farming at a deficit again, okay? We're not covering our cost. So this B&O tax goes through, this cost will be absorbed by us, the grower, and we can't pass it on because a bushel of wheat is still going to cost $5.
The 3 senators have not replied to our email questions regarding why and how the agricultural industry can stay competitive with this added economic burden.
You know, the current climate in Olympia, everybody's looking for money. You know, it's a huge deficit, you know, and I think maybe those guys over there may just not know how it works over here.